Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a try-on haul for you guys. I grabbed a couple of new things from Banana Republic Factory. I love Banana Republic Factory. Banana Republic's prices went like crazy high, I feel like within the last year. So I started looking at the factory more, and actually my husband loves the factory more for like work clothes and things. So I occasionally check out the women's section, and I found some really cute new fall arrivals. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I got. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started. First up from Banana Republic Factory, I grabbed this little cropped short sleeve knit sweater. It is definitely one of those that's like a lightweight. It has more of a, not like rougher texture, but like that linen-y feel. So it's very lightweight and airy. Something that you can wear now as we're kind of transitioning into fall. We've had some cooler days. This is fake fall. I know we're gonna get that hot temperature back, but I do feel like it's nice to grab a couple pieces like this for your closet to kind of just throw on. So I really like this. I got it in size small. Comes in lots and lots of different color options. My favorite part about this sweater is like the sleeve length. It kind of has a bubble, but it's just like a longer, kind of looser sleeve, which I really am liking lately. All right, speaking of blazers, I did grab this blazer right here. This camel color is so good. I saw it. This is a double-breasted blazer. It looks just like a J. Crew one. I wanted to test it out though, see if it was a great quality one too. And the quality is really nice. It is lined on the inside. It's just really pretty, you guys. I love this one. The color, like I said, is perfect. This is my favorite color to kind of incorporate into fall here. This like camel color. I feel like it's just classic. You can pair it with whites and creams and grays and blacks and navies, and it's just so good. Size-wise, I did go with a size 2. It is a little bit more of a fitted through like the shoulders here and like the arms. It's definitely more fitted, and then it kind of, I wouldn't say cinches, but slightly kind of goes in and then out. It's just a very flattering blazer. So if you're looking for a good one this fall, this one is so good. Next up from Banana Republic, I got this pair of shorts that are, I really like them. I think they're so cute. I saw them on the model and I was like, oh, they look so cute. So it is like a suiting material, and they are like the Bermuda pants, or shorts, I should say, that we're seeing everywhere, that like knee-length style. Now, I am petite, so this can make me look a bit shorter. I think I would have to wear these with like more of a heeled sandal or like a heel or something to make them look proportionate to my body, since I'm a little bit on the shorter side. But I love them. I think they're so comfortable. I love how like long they are and flowy and comfy. I love this color, this beautiful cream color. They are high-waisted. They don't have any stretchy band, but they do have belt loops. So if you wanted to belt it with a cute tight like tank or tee like this, oh, I think they're really cute. I don't know. I know they might not be some people's taste. But they do have a matching blazer, I believe, with this. And size-wise, I did go with a size 0 in them. I sized down to the 0, and they fit perfect. So I really like them. I'm not sure if they come in other colors too, but I just thought the cream was really pretty as we kind of go into fall, like adding that camel color with it. So pretty. Okay, next up, if you're still holding on to summer, I feel you. I am a little bit. I'm like, it's slipping away. Even though it is still August, people. We are still in August. I saw this really cute little top. It's kind of like it's like a tank, so it has a little bit of a thicker strap. It kind of has this like boxier feel, and then the material is kind of like a poplin material. And then it has this really pretty embroidery all the way around. It's so cute. I just loved it. It's just a lightweight, cute top, cute with like some jean shorts like this, or you could do even, I think they had like a matching short, which would be so cute as like a little set. Size-wise, I did go with a size small in it. I feel like I could have done the extra small. It runs a little bit big. I think it comes in another color combo as well. But again, with this order, I had to go with the cream and this like camely beige color. so good. Next up, I grabbed this oversized button-up little blouse. I thought it was so cute. I actually debated, I got the white, but I debated on the black or the white, and I think they have one more color. But I love the shape of it. I think we're gonna see a lot also for this fall. I think we're gonna see a lot of t-shirts and blouses with this like short sleeve, oversized, longer fit. I just kind of already see it already in like t-shirts and things like that. And this blouse was so cute. I just loved it. I thought it was something great to wear now as it's still hot out and easily you can transition it into fall. It does have this kind of like pinstripe in it. I'm not sure if you can see it. It does have a slight pinstripe in it, and it has these little pleats right here. It is a little bit wrinkly. I've like steamed this and it does kind of easily wrinkle. So if that bothers you in a blouse like this, then maybe skip this one. But if you're okay with kind of that like slightly wrinkled, relaxed look, kind of like a linen, I would say, but this isn't a linen feel. It's definitely more like a poplin, light poplin feel. Then you're okay. But this is the length of it. Size-wise, I went with a size small in it, and I love it. All right, last up from Banana Republic Factory is something that I feel like is very Banana Republic. Doesn't it look like very Banana Republic to you? I just saw it and I thought it was really cute. It is a linen romper. I loved this cream color. It's definitely more of a creamy, has like a little bit of a yellowy undertone to it, but I really like it. Unfortunately, one thing I did not like about it is the shorts are not lined. I wish there was a lining underneath the shorts here, just because would like a lining there, just because it's a lighter color. But otherwise, I really like it. I love the belt here. I did have to kind of cinch it quite a bit to kind of keep it to stay here, but I think this is a removable one, so you could even add your own belt if you wanted to. It buttons up, has pockets right through here. Very lightweight and comfortable. Does have pockets. I got a size extra small in it, so I did size down. You can kind of see the fit and the length. I like the length of the shorts too. They're not too short, which can sometimes be kind of a problem in a romper. I feel like there's quite a lot of room through here too. So if you are kind of longer through your torso, I think this one is a really good option. So really like it, and I'll have it linked. All right guys, so that is everything I grabbed from Banana Republic Factory. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next one.